and get through this for you. Now, there were some kids that sent in some beautiful videos today. I can't quite remember who they were. Hang on a moment. Oh. We had Mackenzie from Prep C, and Lola from 1C, and Ava W from 2C, and Olivia. Yes, that's right. So let's have a little look now at some of the fantastic things they're doing at home.
Hi guys, so my name is Mackenzie, and I've got 1 bird, 5 crabs, 2 dogs, they're right there, and I'm enjoying homeschooling and stay at home and stay safe.
I've been doing homeschooling and I'm in Miss Tira's class and Mr. Houston's. And I've been doing like a spare time doing gymnastics.
Hi, my name is Ava White. Homeschooling has been very different to being at school, but I am enjoying the time with my family. Having Mum and Dad help me has been great. We haven't just been learning schoolwork, but how to do more around the house as well to help Mum and Dad. I look forward to school and seeing my friends and teachers.
Olivia, and I'm going to show you what I like about parenting. First, I like hanging around at home. I also have my own little friend for quarantine. His name is Soda. Mathman. I like making McDonald's with my mom too. I'm also going to build it like this, which people can look at. Exploring where I can. See you at school. Bye.
Oh my goodness! Wow, I am just so impressed at the work you're doing. Well done, everybody. So what I'm going to do is write a little letter to you, and I'm going to stamp it, and I'm going to take it to the post office, and I'm going to send it to you to say thank you for your hard work. I'm so very, very proud of you all. Now, oh, that's right. We're going to spin some more wheels, and I'm not sure how it comes up on the wall next to me, but let's have a look now. I think we're going to do, let's do 4C and 5C and 6C. So let's spin the wheel now for 4C, and let's see who it's going to be. Oh, hang on a moment. Can somebody help me? What does that say? Oh, I think it says Jordan. Oh, Jordan, congratulations. I'll give you a little tingle on the telephone on Monday. Okay, that's fantastic. Let's now spin the wheel for 5C. Let's have a look now. Oh, it's Mia. Congratulations, Mia. I'll give you a call. Let's spin the wheel one more time now for 6C. Look out, your name might be up here. Let's spin it now. Oh, Jake, I'm just so proud of you all. I cannot wait to see what you are all doing. Congratulations. I cannot wait to call you on Monday and hear your beautiful little voices, boys and girls. So stay safe, look after yourselves. I'm going to go and make myself a cup of tea now. Bye.